In this video, I will show you how to deposit Solana in Axiom. To do this, just go and open up Axiom Pro or Axiom Trade. And from there, what you want to go and do is in the top right, click on the wallet section right there. And here, click deposit. Then under the deposit section, make sure it's set to Solana. And then here you get your deposit address. So go and copy that address. And from there, go to wherever you want to send it from, which for me will be Phantom Wallet, but it can also be an exchange such as Coinbase. Just go to wherever you want to send it from. And then click send or transfer, select Solana and paste in the wallet address that you just copied. And then choose the amount that you want to send. From there, click next. And then just click send. And now it's sending the Solana to this wallet. So now wait for it to stop pending, and then it has been sent. So now it is going to arrive right here. So you can see it was pretty much instant. And I now have deposited Solana on Axiom. So now you know how to deposit Solana on Axiom Pro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.